Many Cognizant GNC candidates has already received their offer letter and they have also received the pre-joining formalities mail. So in this video I will be showing that how to complete this pre-joining formalities. There are several steps. First step is review and accept offer. BGV, that is background verification document submission. Then there will be pre-joining formalities. Then your joining date. So I will discuss how to accept this offer letter. Link in the mail is not working for many candidates. So you have to wait for the pre-joining mail. Otherwise, the link will not work. And what documents to upload for background verification. I have filled wrong information. How to correct the form. They are also giving another chance to fill up the correct your wrong information if you have provided any. Otherwise, there will be problem in getting the joining date. Then when we will get the joining date. After this background verification will be completed, they will assign verify all your documents and then they will give you the joining date. So about the what documents to upload for background verification, I have made another video on my channel. You can access that and know what the documents you will be needing for the we will need for the background verification. So these are the steps you will need to complete. First one is review and accept your offer, background verification document submission, pre-joining formalities, and your joining date. So these are the instructions they are giving. Please note down these things because you will need to follow this to complete your pre-joining formalities. First one is please update the accurate information in the background verification application in line with the documents. Please upload the clearly scanned copy of the education, employment and government ID proof documents in PDF format within 5 MB. Ensure you do not upload any password encrypted documents. Please provide all the requested gap details and residential address for the specific period. Please ensure that first and last page copy of the documents, passport, PAN card, other copy with self attestation. That means you have to sign your documents. Ensure you click on the submit button after uploading all the documents. Letter of authorization has to be duly filled and signed. These are the steps you need to follow. You will receive this kind of mail that action required, Cognizant offer pre-joining formalities and background verification process, BGV type campus. So these are the necessary steps you need to follow for the pre-joining formalities. If you face any difficulty, you can join the Telegram group and discuss among your friends that what difficulty you are facing. I will try to resolve your queries and many other candidates will try to also answer your queries. If you have still any queries, you can ask in the comment section of this video. I will try to answer your queries. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.